Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to gift Audible credits to someone. Okay, so the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Audible account. It's very easy for you to create one, and one assume that you know how to create one, so I'm just going to let you know how to do that. So launch in a browser of your choice, all right, and then from the search bar of your browser, in the search bar type audible.com, and it's going to take you to the official website for Audible. When you get to the website, follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account. And once you're done creating your account, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Audible. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is simple: how to gift Audible credit to someone. The first thing I'd like you to know is that you cannot gift somebody the credit, like direct credit to somebody just like that. Like, you know, just send it as a credit. So you have to like give the person a book, and then every credit that comes with it just transfers to the person. I'm going to explain that shortly. Check the top right corner of your screen. You're going to see here, hi Emmy. All right, and then just go ahead and click on okay, no, you don't have anything to do right there. You don't have anything to do right there. So just go ahead and select the book. All right. So select the book. So now that we're here in this book, all right, remember I have 0 credits available. So now it says buy for this. So head here to the right corner of the screen and click on more options. So it says add to cart, add to wish review, and then give as a gift. So click on give as a gift, and it's going to open you up to the give as a gift option. So here, set the title, give details, and preview. All right, so you can, how would you like to send your gift, as an email or print? So you have to select that. So enter the recipient's email, recipient's name, from, delivery date, and then you can add a sweet message if that works for you. And then go ahead and click on continue. All right, let's say gifting. All right. Delivery date, let's see, today. I sweat. I hope you love this. I'll just go ahead and click continue. So here you go, preview. All right, got in within, do the details. And then regular price, buy for. So it says buy for this, and then now I have 0 credit, so I cannot even purchase with a credit. So you can now go ahead and click on buy for this, and then once you go ahead and click on that, it's going to take you to a page where you have to confirm your payment method, and then just go ahead and buy for this person. So once you buy for this person, the credits within that, the credits that are attached to purchasing that book automatically goes to the person you're gifting this book to. So the person gets the credits for this book that you have purchased. Yes, so that's how you can actually gift credits by gifting books. So you can go watch the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.